Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to make objects float in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have this little clip of the DaVinci Resolve icon, and what you want to do is open effects, and under open FX just type in, like I already did, type in shake and drag the camera shake onto your clip. Now it looks like this. And that's okay, but it shakes a little bit too much. So under Inspector, go to Effects and then Open FX. And you can lower the PTR speed to 0.2 until it looks like this. And I think that already looks pretty good. But of course you can, for example, adjust the speed scale and the motion scale a bit, so it's a bit smoother, just like that. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to make objects float in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.